Hello everybody and welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're looking at histogram problems. Okay, so you should know a bit of background about histograms already. If you're not confident about histograms, you should watch my original video on histograms, which will really explain the topic to you before we continue. However, if you're ready, let's have a look at example 1. It says the histogram shows the weights of some gnomes in a garden. 50 gnomes have a weight of less than 20 grams. Work out an estimate for the number of gnomes with a weight of more than 25 grams. And this is a problem about histograms because we do not know the frequency density scale. And so that is probably going to be our first step to solve this problem. We need to figure out the scale of the frequency density. This is really common in GCSE exam style questions where they are missing out the frequency density scale and you have to try and figure that out yourself from the information in the question. So that's exactly what we're going to do first, and we're going to use the fact that 50 gnomes have a weight of less than 20 grams. And it's indeed that red bar there, that is between 0 and 20, they are the gnomes with less than 20 grams of weight. We also know the frequency density equation. Frequency density is the frequency divided by the class width. That is an equation you need to remember, and you can also rearrange that equation like this, and then you can also divide by frequency density and you get this equation here. And so you get three different versions of this equation, and it's up to you to figure out which one of those three equations you need for different questions. But we're going to use this version here. We got frequency density is frequency divided by class width, and there are 50 gnomes, and the class width is between 0 and 20, so it's a class width of 20. So 50 divided by 20 is 2.5, and so the frequency density of this red bar is 2.5. And so we can place that on the frequency density there. Now it's just a matter of filling in the gaps on the frequency density scale, and it fills in like this, where we've used a 2.5 to place each other number. Good. But now we want to find the number of gnomes with more than 25 grams of weight. And so 25 grams is here on the frequency density. And we're going more than that. It's that yellow bar, the green bar, and the blue bar. And just notice the yellow bar is a bigger bar that's split into two, because we wanted to start at 25, not 20. To find the frequency, you do the class width times the frequency density. That is the same, in effect, as finding the area of these bars, because the class width is the width of the bar at the bottom, and the frequency density is the height of the bar as well. And so to find the area, we're just going to find the frequency. To find the frequency of the bar, we're going to find the area. 7.5 times 5 is 37.5. 10 times 6.5 is 65. 30 times 2 is 60. So we found the areas of those individual bars. Now we just need to find the total area, or the total frequency of the gnomes. And that's just adding those numbers together. And we get 162.5, and that's the final answer. That is an estimate for the number of gnomes with a weight of more than 25 grams. It is just an estimate because that yellow bar we found by just halving the bigger bar. It's not exactly accurate because the gnomes might not be evenly spaced throughout that bar. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. Now it's time for you to try some practice questions yourself. I'd like to pause the video and try this question in your own time. See how well you do. When you're ready, I'll reveal the answers in 3, 2, 1. Did you get it correct? Let me know how well you did in the comments below. Thanks for watching this week's video from Advanced Maths. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. We've also got advancedmaths.com for more excellent revision resources to help you pass your exams. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exams.